Hey there, Interwebs, we're back for another motorcycle adventure. For us, we ride a lot of Forest Service roads, a lot of backwoods, double track, trails, and do overnight camping at the local area rec sites. Along the way, we talk about the experience, the countryside, and the gear we take and use on the camps. We'd love to have you along for the ride. So jump on the back of the bike, get ready, and let's go. We're about to have the best day ever, and as you can see, somebody's really already excited about it. You were excited.
Oh my god, I'm so excited!
You were so excited. So we're gonna go into the Honda Center in Burnaby and get everything we need for our adventure, which we're planning to the Yukon. There it is, the Honda Center is just across Boundary Road in Burnaby on 1st Avenue. And the reason the video is like this is because I was an idiot and put it at double time, super fast, and then have to slow it down for this. So there's a lot of video like this. And then there's a lot that's like normal speed with voices and stuff. Anyway, so we are just preposterously, ridiculously excited.
I'm so excited I'm calm.
You're so excited you were calm. So what we did was we had looked at a couple of these bikes, the NX500s by Honda, and decided to get them. So this one here is a second-hand, really low mileage motorcycle, which our friend here, whose name escapes me, I can't remember his name, pointed out that it was bought by a fella for his wife. They ran it for about 1,400 kilometers, and then it was too big for her. So they came and traded it in for a Rebel 500, and he got a larger bike, like a Trans-Alto, an Africa Twin. So this thing was on just such a great deal, we couldn't say no to it. It had its first tune-up and everything. And so we were just, this is going to be Lisa's bike.
Yay.
And, yay. And here she is trying it out, obviously. Again, I ran all of this in fast motion. I'm so stupid. Standing on it, it fits like a glove for her and for me as well. As you'll see, we actually arranged to take it for a bit of a test drive. So, do you like the bike?
I love the bike. I love it. I love it. I can't wait to get it home and ride it.
Yeah, so we still have a couple of weeks to wait as far as this goes. This big lump of human being is James Cricken, who's a friend of ours, lives just up the street, and that's his wife Zoe. And they ride motorbikes as well, have bought motorcycles from the Honda Center. And that was Nicole. She owns the place with her husband. And so we had talked to her and said we were coming and going to arrange this. So Cricken and Zoe came down just to enjoy the experience with us. And of course she knows, Nicole knows them as well. So we came over, and because we still have our learners at this point, we weren't able to test drive it on the street. But Nicole had said we could run them in the parking lot. And this is her explaining where in the parking lot to go. And so then leaves us in the capable hands of, I think his name is Grant. And it was funny because he said to you something like, you know how to ride a bike, right? And you said, yeah, I think I'm okay with it. And he said, okay, well, just let me explain it. And he goes, clutch, gears, throttle, brake. And so
and I said, yep. He tried to wipe the seat off for me. It was raining. It worked a little bit, but I still ended up with a wet ass.
You did, but that was okay because that made it, my ride on it, less of a wet ass kind of a thing.
Of course, I was I was extraordinarily nervous that I would stall it and look like a dud on a motorcycle.
Yeah, when I did my turn, my thing was I don't want to dump it, even though it's got like engine guards and fairy guards and all that stuff on it. So there off she goes for her first ride on it. And I think I said at this point, don't expect her to come back.
I think I was standing there.
I think you stand
testing.
up.
I did. I was testing.
Yeah, that's right. And so I was surprised when he came back as quickly as he did, even on hyper mode. But it then turned into the test ride so nice we did it twice. So off you go. And then I said, for sure she's not coming back this time.
Light is.
Yeah.
Are you guys going to get extra lights?
No, I don't think so.
No.
Well, it is sold. We own it. No. The little one. There you go. It's got an extra little pad on it. Yeah, that is a beautiful thing.
I love it. It'll be perfect for you too.
Cool.
Did you want to test ride it? Or?
I kind of do, but...
Why don't you?
Okay.
Okay. Jamie riding the NX500. There she goes. Sweet. Here she comes on the NX500, looking good. It's a good fit. It's an awesome bike. Watch the paint.
That was fun. No, so then we went upstairs and we bought kit, and I mean we bought a lot of kit.
We did. They were happy.
They had a good day that day. Yeah. So this is Duncan Fraser. He owns a YouTube channel called windingroads.ca or Winding Roads, and you'll find it on there. He's a legend. He's 80 years old. He's been in the Honda game for 60 years, and he's worked there for 50. And he is a hoot, as you can see. We had I wish I hadn't super fast forwarded it, because we had a great little chat here.
We'll have to go back and get him to do it again, because he's just a fabulous plug for, I mean, he is good on camera.
He is, he really is. So this is us leaving. We say goodbye to Nicole. Duncan helps carry everything else. We got boots and jackets and pants and communications gear and everything under the sun that we could possibly get, we got. It's ridiculous. Okay, perfect. We will do that. Thanks so much. Bye. So if you're looking for a motorcycle, go here, the Honda Center in Burnaby. It was spectacular. This was about 4 hours all in for the day, and we were so tired, but we were just so jacked up on adrenaline and joy and happiness, and it was stupid.
Yes. I can't wait to actually get them in 2 weeks. We will be bringing them home and riding them on the good day.
Yeah, that's right, yeah. So we're pretty stoked here at this point, and here we get with you just a little bit of high five action, and then we're on our way. But it was well, I think we go home and look at our gear, and you model some of it and stuff. But this was just about the best day ever. Okay, so kit now. Scott jacket, waterproof, lined. At home. She's got the new jacket and waterproof pants. Climb. I bought some
Joe Rocket.
And Joe Rocket pants. I got some Alpine Stars Kevlar blue jeans. Excuse me. And then of course we got some new gloves. Also Alpine Star. And then Scorpion helmets. And Sena communication systems. So we're all kitted out. We got some boots as well. The boots are Alpine Stars. And these ones, these bad boys, beautiful looking things. I bought mine. They are on order. They're still coming. So we did that, and of course the motorbikes, which are currently in the shop being fit for all of the gear that we've got getting put on it. So fantastic. So we are good. Are we good?
We're good.
Yeah, we're good.
We're better than good. We're awesome.
We are awesome. So yeah, so look at this. Some kind of styling. You can go look in the mirror on it. And if you noticed, our TV right over here is a big stripe where the TV is failing, so we're gonna have to get a new TV. We can't afford to get a new TV yet because look, we bought all this stuff.
And gear.
Bought bikes and gear, so we're getting set, getting ready for the big adventure come next year, where we're
Little adventures earlier.
Little adventures earlier, and then a big adventure up to the Yukon. Couple 3 weeks outdoor camping, outdoor adventure, motorcycling on the NX500s. So anyway, I'm gonna turn this off, right? Wait. Oh, wait. The answer is wait. Oh, there you go. And you are badass. Not with that grin, but mostly you're badass. Okay? Head to toe cool.
Peace out.
Peace out, baby. Still excited.